Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to discuss emailing content to your individual projects. And if you go inside of your project view and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to notice that in the right-hand corner, there's a link that says email content to this project. You're going to click that link. And what you're going to notice across the top are 5 different ways for you to add content to your Basecamp projects. And each one of those ways will give you a specific email address to send content to add something to your project. So if you want to start a discussion, you will use this specific email address. If you want to start a to-do list, you'll use this email address. And then correspondingly, you'll use the other information as they've stated it here in Basecamp. Now again, each of these email addresses are project specific. So in other words, you won't be able to use this email address to start a discussion in a different project, but only this one. And so to get access to the different address, you'll need to make sure to go to your project view, and then you'll need to go inside of the project. You'll need to scroll again to the bottom and then click the email content to this project. And again, you're going to get a different email for discussions. Now each way of sending content has a specific methodology. For example, if you're going to create a to-do list by email, you have to start with the subject line to-do list, and then you'll need to write the different items on different lines that you want inside of your to-do list. Now you should then get an email notifying you that your list has been added to your Basecamp project. You should also then see the additions inside of your Basecamp project. Now each set of instructions is specific, and you'll want to make sure that you are following the parameters in each one. One thing that Basecamp suggests that actually works very well is to make sure to add email addresses for all of your projects to your address book so that you don't have to cut and paste the address every time you want to send an email to your project. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.